Building a website for your personal chef services shouldn't be complicated and it shouldn't be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a simple and affordable website to advertise your personal chef services. Let's jump in. Now, if you just randomly stumbled across this video today, you aren't familiar with Marty Sites yet, Marty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. Once you're registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We've got hundreds of different markets, as you can see, for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, personal chef. There it is over there. You also have the option to select the general restaurant, retail store, or service business templates. Great, let's start Marty Sites. A few basic details about our personal chef services, including our business name, city and state or region. Once you click on continue, Marty Sites will generate a simple website for your business instantly. Once you click on that button, it will automatically bring up a pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now, because today I'm going to be the one to show you the platform and show you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website. The great thing about the Marty Sites platform is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is specific to a personal chef service. Also pre-selected all the images as well, again specific to a personal chef. The images are completely free for you to use, and they're all really high quality. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone, of course. That's the great thing about the Marty Sites platform. No matter which template you select, there will be pre-written content and pre-selected images that are completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website of all the delicious meals you're preparing. Maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to this content, put a little bit of background about how you got into this industry, your love of being a chef. Your customers would absolutely love to read more about your story. To make any changes, as mentioned, you don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be super tech savvy either. This is literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. So let me give you a quick overview of how easy it is to make changes to your brand new website. I'm going to click on the first section at the top. Over here, you can pop in your email address for your customers to see. Let's go ahead and check that box to display it on our website. Phone numbers, click to call, and physical location. Maybe your business is mobile and you travel to your customers' homes. So you can leave that off, but if you have a physical location when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath update social links, put in the various links for your social media platforms. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your new website. If you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. You can make minor edits to your logo by clicking on that pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller. To change the colors, you of course don't need to know color coding at all. Just click on that paint icon, go through the various color palette options. There are so many different ones to choose from, so you're bound to find one that's suitable to fit in with your branding and your marketing message. For each section you'd like to change it up, maybe change that content, click on update section. Over here underneath update image on the left is where you can browse your device and upload your own images, or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You can also connect your Instagram account with a click of a button and pull in those images. Underneath update action is where we can change that text on the call to action buttons. You can even change where they're linked to, even uploading a PDF file, which is a great way to maybe display your menu options or pricing points, packages for your services. If you take online bookings, you can link to another website. A lot of our customers like to make use of Calendly, for example. Pop in the URL over there. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where your customers can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Now, perhaps you've already purchased a custom domain for your website and your business. That was a very smart move, because having a custom domain makes your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your local competitors. You can absolutely connect it by clicking on that button at the bottom. If you don't have a domain yet, you have the option to actually purchase custom domain by the Marty Sites platform as well. How convenient is that? I really hope the short tutorial was helpful, and a little bit of an overview on how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website and literally launch a website for your personal chef services instantly. I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success. If you have any questions about our platform, do pop them down below. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for loads of valuable information on marketing your local business. All the best.